Hey everyone, it's Connie, the owner of Buy Without Agents, guiding you with the knowledge and tools to confidently buy a home all on your own. Today I want to share a real story from one of my clients who took control of the home buying process, saved nearly $14,000, and did it all without using an agent. My client came across my YouTube channel and, like many of you, started watching every single video. He had some real estate knowledge, but this was his first time buying a home without an agent. To make sure he had the support he needed, he signed up for my elite consulting package, which gave him unlimited access to my guidance, whether it was reviewing documents, looking at the purchase and sale agreement, or just asking questions in real time. My client, with my support, had assistance with reviewing his purchase and sale agreement, scheduling and coordinating his home inspection, negotiating any repairs, and navigating the mortgage and closing process, all without relying on a real estate agent. So here's what we did together, kind of behind the scenes. We thoroughly reviewed the purchase and sale agreement and the seller's disclosure to spot anything that is worth negotiating or asking about. He learned what to do about his earnest money and the importance of organizing his timelines. We made sure that he reached out to the listing agent and escrow officer at the right time to stay ahead of all of his deadlines and to keep everything right on track. When it came time for the inspection, that was interesting. However, we discussed what were cosmetic repairs and major repairs that actually needed to be discussed or renegotiated. We followed up with his lender to clear up any conditions that needed to be met and to make sure that he was on track with all of his deadlines. And finally, we walked through the closing process with title and escrow, all without an agent. Through our whole process, it gave my client the confidence and, most importantly, the control over this entire process. And because he represented himself, he saved close to $14,000 in commissions that would have gone into a buyer's agent's pocket. And as he puts it, and these are his words, not mine, the process was easier than I had anticipated with Connie's assistance. And here's the truth. Most buyers don't need an agent. They need resources and information. Someone who knows the process inside and out and can help them avoid a lot of the stress and headaches and help them every step of the way. That's what my client Alvaro had, and it's what you can have too. If you want to learn how to buy a home on your own terms, check out my course, Your Home, Your Way, How to Buy Without Agent, because it walks you through everything, step by step. And if you want unlimited access to my support, like my client had, go to my website and check out my consulting packages and see if one of them fits your needs. Also, grab the freebies that are linked below and subscribe for more home buying tips and drop your questions in the comments. You don't need an agent to buy a home. You just need the right knowledge, guidance, and tools. And I am here to serve. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.